Hello, this is going to be the, I think the fourth video showing just me doing some of this work so that you can kind of see my approach to it and, you know, what I'm doing here and whether that is right or wrong. You guys can correct some of my assumptions, but just see how I'm kind of putting this together. So I've got a split screen here. This is one of the folders that I've moved some of your content items into that you gave us, a lot of the activities and such. So that's where I'm going to start here, is with this activities and games section. So you can see I've put in a few pages underneath here, and I'm just going to kind of go through these one at a time and decide where it goes. So the videos were not there yet. I've got a separate section over here started for videos where I'll put those in because some of them are going to show up in the same place, others are going to be different. So we'll just start with the list, and I'll just start here. So bending water with static electricity. We're going to need a electricity games and activities. So open this guy up, and we're going to have and so I'm not sure how far up you guys want to split this. You know, whether we're going to try to make a difference between an activity and an experiment, or if this is kind of the same thing. I think for now I'm just going to assume they're in the same. But, you know, perhaps this needs to be broken off into a third section. So I would think that bending water with static electricity is kind of an activity / experiment sort of a thing. So then we can also just go ahead and upload the file here. Bending water with static electricity. Open. There it is. We can see it attached. I try to keep this video short, so I'm not going to make you watch every last thing I'm doing here, but so moving on to the next one is a bird feeder experiment or activity. Oh, I see, that one's just a picture. Next one here is a careers word search, so I'm going ahead and add a careers, games, and activities page here. Come here. And we'll go ahead and we'll add careers word search. And we will add our file there. Save that. Close that. Next one we've got is a scavenger hunt, which, I don't know, maybe this is wrong. It looks to be mostly related to electricity. I guess there's a little bit of water in there. Well, I'm going to throw it under electricity for now, and it can always be moved. Game. Color page bath. That is definitely electricity. No electricity near the water, folks. So, right here, that's definitely a game. I'm going to come in here and we're going to say coloring path. And we'll upload the file. Coloring page toaster, that's got to be the same thing, but let's just make sure. Yep, electricity. Podcast for kids, that's probably going to go on a Clark page or something. Just a list, it's a content page, so we'll skip that one. That's another picture. Dirty to clean maze. Okay, so this is a water process thing, water quality. Doesn't really seem like it's stream team. No, this is definitely just water. So we'll create a games section and a activities and experiments section. I think this easily goes in the games area. This is the water dirty to clean maze. Electric knowledge crossword, definitely electricity. Electric safety crossword. Okay, so I am going to try to save you guys some of this work since you gave us all of this stuff and most of it is really obvious. I'm going to go ahead and load this in. Since you've done this work, I'll just try to save you some duplication of effort here by putting this in here so that it is all filled out, and I will come back and record a little bit more here at the end with some questions or any wrap-up if there is. For the videos section, please don't bother uploading the videos. I don't think the tool is going to allow you anyway. They're way too big, and we don't need or want them. They should just all live on Vimeo or YouTube, whichever one you guys are going to end up using. I think you've already uploaded a good number of them there, so just continue adding the videos to that section. I'm not sure. I'm guessing they mostly are going to just be one category apiece. So, you know, the safety birds, I don't know. If some of these apply to more than one category, then it might just be easiest to list them all out on one page and then say which categories they belong to. So we can just do, we could do it like this, just solar construction and student tour and kite safety, toaster fire, toaster safety, lawnmower. So, as I was saying, I kind of forget where I left off. Apologies. If you'd rather just put all of the videos on this one main videos page and then list them out and say which categories they belong to, that might be easier rather than having to list them on each of the individual pages, especially if there's overlap. Like, it seems to me like kite safety is, something that you would maybe want in the safety area and something in the electricity area. Same for a lot of these, it seems like. But if you'd rather put them on the pages themselves, then that's also okay. Like if you'd rather take these and then put it on, oops. Sorry about that. Put it on a and then just put all of those and then also have a safety page that they also appear on. I don't know, that seems like a lot of extra work to me. This seems like a much simpler solution. Just list them all out and tell us which categories they belong to, and then we can get them in there. But again, if you'd rather, you can put them on these separate pages instead. For the events, it would be great maybe just to see a couple of sample events and what you might want included for those. Obviously, it's down the line. We don't know, when we're going to end up launching this thing. But for now, it would be good to just have like 3 sample events so that we can kind of build what we need into the calendar. I'm assuming, you'd like an image of what happens at the event and a map, and I don't know. We have done a lot of calendars, so I'm pretty sure I know, but if you could come up with 2 or 3 of these things, that would be terrific.